All right, so we have a couple more questions coming through. First question is, as a freelancer, how do you handle inconsistent payments from clients? So this is a pretty easy answer. The way I handle inconsistencies in payments from clients is I set the contract up correctly right from the beginning. And if you've seen some of my other answers, you know that's usually in the form of just billing hourly and then using the Upwork time tracker as the primary way of tracking all of this work. And what that allows to happen is every time you tap in and start doing the work, it's automatically applied, so you really don't have to do anything. You don't have to write invoices, you don't have to chase down money from your client. You work and you get paid. And it's great because it also keeps track of everything with screenshots and memos, so you can easily refer back to it. And it's happening passively while you're working instead of having to apply time later after you work by like putting a report together and stuff like that, because I hate doing that stuff because you're not going to be compensated for that time. So that's going to significantly decrease your hourly rate if you have to do extra work on top, like reporting and that type of thing. What the time tracker allows you to do is, if you're working, you're getting paid. And then, if you consistently keep doing that, that means you're going to be getting checks in every week. I think they pay out on like Tuesday night, hits your bank account by Thursday. So there's really no lag time. It's a pretty normal job then, because every week you're now getting payments, and you never ever have to chase down any money from a client, and you just continue your work. I just think this is easier on both sides too. And even when I hire people, usually it's on hourly work too, and I don't have to, again, spend time researching and going through invoices and sending a manual payment and stuff like that. That stuff like eats away at your time. All that administrative work that you're doing, you're not getting compensated that. And if you spend 2-3 hours on administrative work a week, then you have to average down your profits per hour. And I would rather keep all those profits and make my life easier and have everything verified and just keep working and getting paid for that work. So that's really, what I like to do to handle any type of inconsistencies and stuff like that, because when I try getting too creative, it always winds up biting me in the butt. And it's something you really want to avoid. Like every time, I make deals, or, I take a payment up front, or rely on them to pay me later. I hate taking payment up front too, because I feel like a slave to them. It's like, okay, you took the money and now what? Like, okay, what they want may change, the scope of work may change, and now you've already taken the money, so you feel bad and you wind up having to do more, and you feel compelled to because you took the money and you don't want to get a bad review, so you wind up doing it. Again, this stuff all eats away at your work, and it just makes it tough to be consistent. And that's really what you got enough stuff to worry about as a freelancer, enough stuff that's on your own and that you got to take care of. And the last thing that you want to be doing is chasing down money. So I hope that helps answer that question, and looking forward to the next. Thank you so much.